Okay, the next reaction is addition reaction. Now, addition reaction is mostly given by alkene and alkyne, and it is being classified in three types: electrophilic addition, nucleophilic addition, and free radical addition. First we talk about electrophilic addition. In case of electrophilic addition, a electrophile E plus will attack on a pi electron cloud. The best example for the electrophilic addition is we take an example of addition of HX on alkene. Now if you write down the normal reaction, we have C double bond C, hydrogen halide, HX, where HI is more reactant than HBr, which is more reactant than HCl. So suppose you take any halide, HX, H is delta plus and this is minus, plus and minus. So H goes to one of the carbon atom where the pi bond shifts. It gets the bond, and X minus goes to the other carbon atom and result into the formation of C, X and CH. RX is formed. But the first attacking species out of this HX is H plus ions, because this is a pi electron cloud. So electron cloud पे अटैक करने के लिए आप halide को नहीं डाल सकते, because negative will repel. So a positive species H plus which act as a E plus electrophile will attack first. Okay. Now for example, if you take a symmetrical alkene like CH2 double bond CH2, it's a symmetrical alkene where having same number of carbon atoms, same number of hydrogen atom on both the side. Suppose you add HCl. So you take H plus on one of the carbon atoms, Cl minus on the other carbon atom, or you add Cl on this carbon, H on this carbon, one and the same thing. It forms CH3, CH2, Cl, thiol chloride. But what about an unsymmetrical alkene like CH double bond CH2? This is unsymmetrical. Why it is unsymmetrical in nature? The reason is because across the double bond, here there are 2 carbon and 4 hydrogen, here there are 1 carbon and 2 hydrogen, so it's unsymmetrical. So when you add an unsymmetrical reagent, HCl is also unsymmetrical. It is made up of 2 different atoms. When you add an unsymmetrical reagent to an unsymmetrical alkene, then it follows a rule called as Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule says that for the major product, the negative part of the reagent goes to carbon having less number of hydrogen across the double bond. So here there will be formation of 2 products. One of the product where negative part goes to a carbon having less, so H plus goes to CH2. This is first way of addition. And second way of addition is where the negative part of the reagent goes to first carbon and H plus goes to the less carbon. So second way of addition. But Markovnikov rule says for major product, the negative part of the reagent goes to carbon having less. तो यहाँ पर 2 product बनेंगे. First will be CH3, CHCl, CH3, 2 chloro. Second will be CH3, CH2, CH2Cl, 1 chloro. But इन दोनों में से major कौन होगा? Where the negative part of the reagent goes to carbon having less. So मतलब ये आपका हो जाएगा 76% and this becomes 24%. Clear है? Now you add any unsymmetrical agent to an alkene, it will follow in this manner. Any unsymmetrical, मतलब HCl की जगह पे if you add HOH, water. So when you add HOH, again it is plus and minus. So negative part of the reagent goes to carbon having what? Less. Major के लिए इधर ही जाएगा to this carbon atom. Suppose you add HOCl, that is hypohalous acid. So this is negative part, this is plus part. So again OH minus ions goes to carbon having less. But question ये है, what is this Markovnikov rule? Okay. So question is, what is Markovnikov rule? So to understand this Markovnikov rule, we need to understand the mechanism of the entire reaction. We take propene to explain this mechanism. Okay. For example, the addition of HCl to propene. तो step 1 में क्या होगा? Step 1 में there will be attack of electrophile. Electrophile is the H plus. It will attack across the double bond. तो मैंने यहाँ पर बना दिया CH3, CH double bond CH2. इस पे H plus attack करेगा. But the attack can take place in 2 manner. If the H plus attack on the first carbon atom, then the pi bond shift on the first carbon with the H plus attack, or the pi bond shift on the second carbon with the H plus attacks. तो सपोज H प्लस ने फर्स्ट कार्बन पे अटैक किया, तो यू गेट अ स्ट्रक्चर लाइक दिस CH3 CH CH3 प्लस चार्ज ऑन द सेंटर, बिकॉज यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंसी आ गई, पूरा हेटेरोलिटिक फिजन हुआ है. या तो H प्लस सेकेंड पे करेगा, तो सेकेंड पे करा तो CH3 CH2 CH2 plus. Now this leads to the formation of carbocation. This is a secondary carbocation, this is a primary carbocation, and we know that secondary carbocation is more stable as compared to primary. इसके लिए ये कार्बोकैटायन 74% प्रोड्यूस होता है, ये कार्बोकैटायन 76% प्रोड्यूस होता है, और ये कार्बोकैटायन 24% प्रोड्यूस होता है. और सेकेंड स्टेप जो फास्ट स्टेप है, दिस स्टेप इज ऑब्वियसली स्लो स्टेप, RDS रेट डिटरमाइनिंग स्टेप. सेकेंड स्टेप पे आपका जो दूसरा पार्ट है दैट इज Cl-, विल बी अ काउंटर न्यूक्लियोफाइल, विल अटैक. सो यहाँ पर न्यूक्लियोफाइल सेकेंड स्टेप में अटैक कर रहा है, लेकिन फर्स्ट स्टेप में कौन अटैक कर रहा है? इलेक्ट्रोफाइल. दैट इज वाई द नेम इज इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एडिशन. सो व्हेन न्यूक्लियोफाइल अटैक्स द मॉलिक्यूल बिकम्स CH3 प्लस. सपोज हमने मेजर प्रोडक्ट लिया, फास्ट स्टेप के हिसाब से Cl- न्यूक्लियोफाइल अटैक करेगा ऑन द सेकेंड कार्बन आइटम एंड यू गेट CH3 CHCl CH3 as your major product with 76%. So remember, whenever there is an unsymmetrical alkene, you have to follow Markovnikov rule to get the major product. This is a short idea about the electrophilic addition reaction. You have to remember a very important point in this, that during this reaction of electrophilic addition, during E plus addition across C double bond C or C triple bond C, in the first and the slow step, main step, there is a formation of carbocation, very important, and carbocation gets stabilized by plus I effect. Okay, positive inductive effect या hyperconjugation उसको stabilize करता है. If you remember from the previous video, that is why if you take alkenes like R, C, R, double bond C, R and R, here you have 4 plus I group and greater chance of hyperconjugation because there are lot of alpha carbon atom attached to it. So it will be having greater chance of undergoing electrophilic addition as compared to R, CH double bond CH R, which will be greater than R, CH double bond CH2 will be greater than CH2 double bond CH2, where there is minimum amount of plus I. There is no plus I effect only. So याद रखने का, electrophilic addition में you if there is a unsymmetrical, you have to follow Markovnikov rule for the addition of any of the unsymmetrical reagent across the double bond. Now let us talk about the second type of addition, that is free radical addition. Remember, the free radical addition across the double and triple bond take place in the presence of peroxide. Most commonly used peroxides are organic peroxide, that is ROOR, where these two oxygen has -1 charge. We can take an example of benzoyl peroxide, okay, that is C6H5 C double bond O C double bond O C6H5. Best reagent to perform the experiment. Now free radical addition के लिए भी we take a simple example of addition of HBr across CH3 CH double bond CH2. We take an example of unsymmetrical alkene in this to explain. Okay, अब for example मैं ये reaction ले रहा हूँ, that is CH3 CH double bond CH2 plus HBr. Now in presence of peroxide, again we get, it's unsymmetrical alkene, this is unsymmetrical reagent, so again we get two product. In first condition, Br goes to the carbon having less and H plus goes to carbon having more. या second addition होगा, Br goes to first and H plus goes to second. So it results to the formation of two products, CH3 CHBr CH3 plus यानी 2 bromopropane या CH3 CH2 CH2Br 1 bromopropane. But this peroxide effect is also called as anti-Markovnikov rule, okay, or it is also called as Crash-Mayo effect. Now why it is called as anti-Markovnik? Because in case of Markovnik, the major product is depending upon the negative part of the reagent attacking on the carbon having less hydrogen. बट यहाँ पर वो केस नहीं होगा, यहाँ रिवर्स केस होगा. दैट इज व्हाट इज कॉल्ड एज एंटी मार्कोनिक, वेयर द नेगेटिव पार्ट ऑफ द रीजन गोज टू अ कार्बन हैविंग मोर. तो यहाँ पर एक CH है और एक यहाँ पर CH2. अगर वो CH पे जाएगा तो 2 ब्रोमो बनाएगा, CH2 पे Br जाएगा तो 1 ब्रोमो बनाएगा. इन केस ऑफ मार्कोनिक 2 ब्रोमो वॉज द मेजर, बट इन केस ऑफ एंटी मार्कोनिक 1 ब्रोमो इज द मेजर प्रोडक्ट एंड 2 ब्रोमो इज द माइनर प्रोडक्ट. Now question ये है कि sir why? The question is कि why it follows anti-Markovnikov rule, why Br minus goes to a carbon having more becomes the major product and why not the less? The answer is free radical addition. The addition takes place with respect to a formation of free radical. Let us check the mechanism of the free radical.